Hello, everybody. Solo Black 313, Rise and Ride. Hope everybody's having an awesome day today. So, what are we going to do today? Well, today we're going over to Honda Suzuki of Warren, and we're going to pick up some BikeMaster heated grips for my 2001 Honda Shadow Ace. Just want you guys to come along with me.
All right, we got the BikeMaster motorcycle heated grips, and I'm going to put these on my 2001 Honda Shadow Ace. So let's get unboxing. So, BikeMaster quality performance heated grips, and my bars are 7/8, so this will fit my Honda Shadow. They make them to fit sport bikes, cruisers, you know, ATVs, anything that has a grip. You can get it through BikeMaster now. I thought about getting the Oxfords. Um, these were $59.99. The Oxfords were 100 and something, $109. Now, BikeMaster, there's two different models they sell. This one, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it yet, it just has that red dial, that's an off and on, a high and low. On the other BikeMasters, it gave you a actual digital readout of the temperatures and the voltage. On this one, it doesn't have it. On the Oxfords are decent. I have a friend of mine that has some Oxford heated grips on his bike, and they work really, really well. They're big sellers. But for $59.99, I decided to go with the BikeMasters. I'm not doing long distance on the cruiser. It's just that when I ride around in the city, it's nice to have some heated grips. My ST1300 fortunately came with the OEM heated grips from Honda, so I don't have to worry about that. And like I say, riding the ST1300 is a whole lot warmer than riding the Honda Shadow due to the windshield on the ST1300 and the heated grips. So I'm just going to add these heated grips to the Honda Shadow. All right, let's open this box up. Let's see here. All right, we got some adhesive for the handlebars. And we have a bag of, oh, this is the handlebar clamp. I guess you would clamp the controller to this. That's what it looks like. Okay, so then I mean, it's pretty basic. Get this out. So these would be the end caps to the handlebars. And then we have the grips themselves. Boy, I'm getting dust on. Wow, I picked a really, I should have cleaned this off. My grips are getting dirty. Now, on the Honda Shadow has these grips that are, the rubber molding is really thick and it has a metal end cap on. And I know it's going to be a bear getting those off, but we'll deal with that as when we do the actual install. All right. I mean, it's just really, really basic. You got the controller here, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 heat setting indicator lights from low to high. And it's just the one button. On the other ones that were, I think those were the other BikeMaster that had the LED readout, and I think it actually gave the temperature and the voltage. And it was a lot prettier, you know, it had more stuff to it. Those were like $92. So that's cool. And then we have our fuse block here. It's a simple case of connecting this, running a wire to your hot and to your negative, and installing the grips. There's not much to it. I mean, a child could do it. All right. So what we're getting ready to do now, we're going to go outside and we'll install these grips. Hey everybody. Well, there's been a sort of a setback or a delay in installing the BikeMaster heated grips. So, wow, they just happen. Come on, we'll take a look at it. Yeah, so I got the handlebar all prepped, and I removed the old grips, and I was attempting to put the grips on. So here's my plan. I was going to do the throttle side first without recording, because this is my first time ever installing aftermarket heated grips on a motorcycle. So my plan was to just do these without videotaping and then come over to the clutch side and do this one, tape this one, so you'll know. But let me show you what happened. All right. These are the BikeMaster heated grips. And in my attempts to put the heated grips on the throttle side, they just wouldn't go. I mean, I was fighting with these things, you know. It was crazy. I heated them up. You can see right there, I cut one, heated this area up. I mean, I used WD-40 on them, and they just would not fit over the handlebar. So after 40 minutes of doing various things to try to get these BikeMasters to fit over the grips, some say check your handlebar size. I go to my manual. Sure as shooting. These are 7/8. I even said it. I even said it in the intro when I did the unboxing that these were 7/8. My grip, my handlebars are an inch, so they're not going to fit. So I called up the salesperson that sold me the BikeMasters, and you know, things happen. It's not his fault. And he did some research. He says yes, they are an inch. So he had to order another set of BikeMasters in an inch. And today is like December the 9th, 2020. He couldn't even tell me, because of the holiday season, when these new ones would be in. So right now, like I say, let's show you the bike.
You know, I've already taken these grips off and cleaned them. And like I said, you know, this is the throttle side. I can't ride. I mean, I guess if I really wanted to ride the bike, I could. And fortunately for me, I didn't take these off. But as it sits now, I can't ride the bike. Like I said, I could, but because, you know, I still have my ST 1300 I can ride, which I have been riding. It's just now I'm delayed, and I don't. He couldn't give me a date on when he couldn't give me a date on when the BikeMaster's heated grips will be in. So that's kind of where we're standing right now. So when the grips come in, I'll do another video, and then we'll go through the install process. So I'm kind of bummed out. You know, I wanted to get this over with. You know, it's cold out here in the garage. Yesterday when it happened, it would have been a perfect day because it got to 47 here in Michigan, in Detroit. And right now, it's about 42 degrees. This garage, man, it gets kind of cold. I just wanted to get it over with, you know. All right, so as soon as the grips come in, we'll do it all again. Wow, 2 days. It took 2 days. I put the order in for the new BikeMaster grip replacements. 2 days ago on the 9th, today's the 10th. That was Matt from Honda Suzuki of Warren. The BikeMasters came in, so let's go pick them up.
Well, damn, that was
I
fast.
know, right? Here's the thing about it. I was on the west side. Now,
I just talked to you 15 minutes ago.
I know I was on the west side. I was on Greenfield.
Would you just race over here?
I'm a bike. I got a fast bike.
Okay. All right.
How you doing, brother? You all right?
How are you?
Okay, so this is Matt from Honda Suzuki of Warren.
How's it going?
All right. Matt's gonna give me my grips. Okay, got the new BikeMaster 1-inch grips. So let's go put these babies on. And that's how you install the BikeMaster heated grips to a 2001 Honda Shadow Ace VT750. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. So, if you would do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next time, this is Solo Black 313, Rise and Ride, and I'm out!